Artemis II is about much more than just going back to the moon. It is about the pursuit of excellence.
If you want to go fast, go alone. If you want to go far, go together. And we are going together, and our mission success is built on handing off a starting point to Artemis III that sets our country and our partners up to go back to the surface of the moon.
Sending machinery around the moon, beautiful machines, is a challenge. Adding humans takes it a giant leap forward. And there is a lot of work that goes into integrating people into the system.
This is a very serious endeavor. This is absolutely a test flight. The last time we launched was more than 3 years ago. It did not have crew on it. It was not a completely like-for-like spacecraft on top of the SLS architecture.
We basically invented all of the training for the Orion spacecraft and the rocket and put it all together, and now we're in the middle of giving all of that information to the crew to prepare them for the launch.
For me, the heart of Artemis II are the individuals, the people that are on board that Orion capsule. They are going to represent us as humanity going out into space on this incredible journey. And to me, that's the real piece there, is the human element.
I'm Reed Wiseman, a NASA astronaut and commander of the Artemis II crew. I guess if I'm going to answer who I am, first and foremost, I'm a dad. I was a pilot in the Navy. I'm an astronaut. I'm a lover of nature, lover of the Earth, and in general, I just try to be nice to people.
I've known Reed a long time, and just